Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluchi, a Nigerian based YouTuber and a makeup artist for the Loser Beauty brand. Please don't mind how I'm tying my hair. I'm just tired. The heat is too much to be wearing any wig and co, and I just want to do a quick video. So from the title you already know that this is a how I edit my Instagram pictures. Yes, so plus the thumbnail you already know the picture I'm going to be editing. So I'm going to be transforming this picture right here to this you'll be seeing now, so keep on watching. So I'll just open up my phone, then I'll go to my photo editors. You guys can already see the my photo editing app. In this video alone I'll be using the Lightroom. So I'll just open up my photos, scroll through the photos. I have lots of pictures, but I think I want to use that particular one. So I'll use this particular picture I just selected now. You guys can see it now. So on a normal base, like if actually my face was visible like very well, I would have used Facetune to smoothen up my face, you guys. But since my face is not really visible, I'm just going to go straight to Lightroom. So I'll send it to Lightroom. Go straight to Lightroom. I'll launch it now. This Lightroom is an Adobe app. So this is the picture right here. You guys can see it. I'll first of all go to this is the free version. I didn't pay for the updated ones, like to pay for the healing, the selective. I'm just doing a very quick, easy something, like very easy. I'll go to my light first and I'll reduce my exposure to 0.33. Then I'll increase my contrast to +8. Then after doing this, I'll just in this particular picture I just decided to touch my exposure and my contrast, reducing it to 0.33 and to +8. So I'll go directly to my color now. Yes, I see this white balance, temp tints. I'm not touching them in this picture. I'm just going to mix. Then I'll go to the first color, the red color. I will increase the hue in my red color to +63. After increasing the hue to +63, I increase the saturation to +77. If you guys can notice, you notice that there's a little change in my skin tone. My skin tone is becoming a bit brighter. Then I'll increase my luminance to +52. I don't know if you guys are noticing some changes in the lines of my skirt and my skin tone. Then next I'll move to the orange color. I'll move the hue of the orange color to -20. Can you guys see how my skin tone is also changing? Then we can still leave it in -21, just a slight difference between 20 and 21. Then I change the saturation of the orange color to +23. You guys are already seeing some little changes, I know. Then I will just increase the luminance a bit to +7. Then next I will go to the yellow color there. I'll reduce my hue like this one. I want to reduce the hue, the tints. I'm going to reduce it to -88, as low as that. Then I will reduce the saturation. I don't want it to be too saturated, so I'll still reduce the saturation of this yellow color to -78. Then I'll increase the hue of this yellow color to +18. Then I'll increase the hue of the, you guys can see the green leaves at my back, so I wanted to make it like a bit greeny, not a bit, like I want it to be very, like the green to be shining as well. So I'm going to change it to +46. Like I'm going to increase the hue to +46. You guys can notice the difference in the green color of the leaves. Then I want to reduce the saturation of all the green parts. I'm reducing the saturation to -57. And you can see, you guys are noticing like it's no more that shiny, but it's still greeny. It's already getting the perfect color I want. Then I'm going to increase the luminescence. I want more light on it, so I'm going to increase it to +30. Then I move to the light blue. It might not really make a difference because there's no light blue stuff at the background, but I still increase the hue to +43. Then I reduce the saturation of it to -3. Then I increase the luminescence of the blue to plus 25. For the blue, I'm going to increase the hue to plus 36. There's no much difference because there's no blue, there's no obvious blue part in the picture, but it's adding a little difference. Then for saturation, I just increase it to plus 78. I'm just playing around. There's no much difference, but oh well. Then for luminescence, I increase it to plus 34. Then I go over to the purple color right there. Then for the purple color, I increase the hue to plus 37. You guys can notice a difference in my top. Then for the saturation of the purple, I increase it to plus 26. Then for the luminance, I increase it to plus 21. I go back to the pink, which is the final color. I increase the hue to plus 59. Then for the saturation, I increase it to plus 69. Do you guys notice that difference in my top? Like there's a great difference on my top. It changed from the normal purple color it was to this kind of reddy color. That's because I increased the saturation. Then for the luminescence, I increase it to plus 16. So you guys can see the picture now. This is the state at which it is now, which is like basically the main thing. Then I just click done. Then I move to effects. I don't do much thing, just put a little bit of texture, 11, put my clarity, make it to be clear, like plus 6, just a little. Then put a vignette, like the vignette kind of makes the bars darker or the middle brighter. So I just reduce it so that my bars will get darker. I reduce it to minus 26. You guys can notice the sides of my pictures got darker. Then I just move to details, sharpen my picture a little bit so it make it a bit sharp. I put it in 11, and that's the main thing I do for my pictures. Then I save, export to camera roll. So this is how I recently started editing my Instagram pictures. I hope you all enjoyed this. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.